Let me show you how to get the latest feature for your Toyota. So let me simply show you how to update your software. So all you need to do is start from the home screen. Here let's tap menu, the second option, select setup, and from the following view you need to scroll down under general tab, of course, to see the software update. Tap software update, and as you can see there is information about the current audio update. If the update will be available, you will see here possibility to click it. For now you are using the latest possible updates, so you can also check out the information about the model here, the parts number, the exact model. You can select the history. There is a update item for audio. It was happening in December 2025. You can check out detailed information if something is here. So basically that's it. So you can here manage your update information from the following list of settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.